Okay, here we go. 1.1 sets inequalities, absolute values, and properties of real numbers. We're going to go through 1, 2, 3 goals. I'm going to try to cut the videos into 1.1a, 1.1b, 1.1c. So we're going to categorize numbers and look at some different types of notation. So if we're going to connect this back to old knowledge, we had the number system. So we had things that we normally tick on the number line to the right, 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are called natural numbers because we naturally count with them. And you guys, I will put a PDF of this for you to look at online later. Okay. Then we read to the left of the number line with ticks, -1, -2, -3, -4. So all of those, including negatives and positives, are called integers. And they're Z, which is kind of weird, but I think integers to help me remember. Then we have rational number, which are anything can be written as a fraction. You should already know that, but again, just a weird symbol associated with that. I'll zoom in and you can take a picture of it. And then we have irrational numbers, generally a symbol associated with it, or we have those non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Okay. Let's look here at this little visual. If you want to pause it and copy those down, you can. Let's see if we can get it to be clearer. Something to be aware of. Complex numbers, anything with i's, we have real, and then we have real with a little plus in the air. That's just the positives. Rational, rational plus, which is just the positive. Same thing with integers, and integers plus, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Okay. If you need a sec to copy that down, you can always pause it and come back. Visually, sometimes we categorize the number system into this kind of Venn diagram where natural numbers fit inside of integers, which sit inside of rational numbers, and then we have this other part of the real number system, which are irrational numbers. Okay, so if I was going to put these, 0 would be most tightly nested in integers, 0 natural, 5 natural, -2 integers, -3/4 rational, 5/7 rational, decimal that repeats rational, pi irrational, square root of 2 irrational, and then we have numbers that have an imaginary component, so they must be complex. Think of a couple numbers for yourself and place them where they would go.